Let us begin chapter 6, section 4. A church has 10 bells in its tower. Before each church service, 4 bells are rung in sequence. No bell is rung more than once. How many sequences are there? Because you have a sequence here, order is important, therefore you are going to use permutation. So again, you have NPR. So permutation is used when order matters, and order does matter here. So N is your total, so you have total 10 bells. P and R is taken 4 bells at a time. So you have 10 P4. Using your calculator to do this, you're going to do 10 math, PRB, number 2, and you're going to press 4. So 10 NPR4, and your answer is 5,040 sequences. So 5,040 sequences will be used. Number 2, in a contest in which 10 contestants are entered, how many distinct prizes will be awarded? Again, when you're talking about prizes, order matters. So if order matters, you are going to use permutation. Again, you have NPR, N is your total. So you will have 10 P4 prizes. So using your calculator for that, it's 10 P4, which is the same as before, and that is equal to 5,040 ways. So for number 3, how many distinct ways can the letters in management be arranged? So here management has 10 letters. So you have 2 of the M's. So 2 M's are identical. You also have 2 E's that are identical. You have 2 A's that are identical and 2 N's that are identical. So here we're using our factorial. So we have 10 factorial for the 10 letters in the word. And here we have the identical numbers, the identical letters. We have 2 factorial, which is 2 M's, 2 A's, 2 E's, and 2 N's. So we have 4 letters that are identical. And then the remaining letters, the G, you only have 1 G. And you only have 1 T. So we have 10 factorial. So 10 math factorial. So 10 PRB factorial. So 10 factorial is this number divided by 2 factorial, so we have 2 times 2 times 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, divided by 16. So here we have 226,800 distinct ways that that word can be arranged. Number 4. A record club offers 7 records from a list of 45. So here, how many ways can the member make a selection? Order is not important here, so you're going to use combinations. So when order is not important, you're going to use NCR. So N is your total, which you have 45 total, and you're choosing 7 records from a total of 45. So using calculator for combinations, we have 45 math PRB, 3 is combination, so 45 NCR7, and there is your number for 45 million 379, 620 ways in which you can make a selection. Number 5, 5 of a sample of 100 computers will be selected and tested. How many ways are there to make this selection? Again, order does not matter here, so we're using combination. And we have a total of 100 C, and you're choosing 5. So 100 C5. So here we're going to use our calculator. 100 math, PRB, combination, 5, enter. And here is your answer, 75,287,520 ways to make the selection. Number 6, from 9 names on a ballot, a committee of 3 will be elected to attend a political national convention. How many different committees are possible? Again, order is not important. So you're going to use combinations. You have a total of 9, and you're choosing 3 out of the 9. So now using the calculator, you have 9, math, PRB, combination 3, and here you have 84 ways. So 84 different committees are possible. And this concludes Chapter 6, Section 4.